courses how to make money, and my coworker goes from my YouTube channel, and we discuss how much money you can make and what positions you can get. He's teaching for free. You can join his courses, and he uses artificial intelligence. Yes. Okay, and he will show you what type of jobs you can get. And don't forget, subscribe, give like to this video, and you get information for free. It's like boot camp. Yes, but for free. Let's see, Silicon Valley. Could you open Silicon Valley? Yes, he's here. And he's working as software engineer. San Francisco. Quickly, please. Let's go. And if you'd like to learn for free, he'll teach you. And you can get jobs. First of all, let's discuss what type of job can you get, what requirements for documents, because some positions, they provide visa sponsorship, yes? They'll provide documents. So go ahead, explain to him, please. He's my coworker and he knows everything and he will teach you for free. Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, so today we are going to see that what kind of job requirements are there in the market and see that how these skills one can actually acquire and then apply,
and how much you can get.
And then apply for these positions. The salary ranges are of course in between 153,000 to 180,000 for an entry level positions, for front end engineer, front end developer. So so that is the kind of jobs are available in the market. And the way to actually prepare for this this type of job is basically, I'm going to share with everybody, there is one free website called freecodecamp.org. It's a very it's a free site. You don't need to pay anything. If you like it, you can always donate it. But this is where you can go and see that what kind of games, like how to build a tic-tac-toe game in using front-end programming language, how you can you know make this applications available on the internet. So you can actually learn quite a bit here.
For free. For free. Yes, hello, everyone, hello. Yes, I see. They send you. Okay, they're interested. They're asking how much money you can make. People are interested how much money they can make.
So as I have told, like if you see the starting position salary
entry level position
is between 150,000 to $200,000.
And no formal education required, yes? No formal education required.
Yeah, no formal educations are required.
Okay, right now 150 people.
Now we can see the same type of jobs in, let's say, Los Angeles, if you're in Los Angeles area.
But for people who lives outside of US, some of jobs, they have visa sponsorship. So you can get job and your company provide you visa and pay for visa relocation fee.
Yeah.
Yes, is correct.
So in Los Angeles, you can make from like $110,000 to $126,000.
Yes, and he's teaching for free. It's very good. You don't need to pay money like different bootcamp charge.
Yeah.
He's showing you new technology.
So what you have to do is basically you have to go to freecodecamp.org and what you have to do is once you sign up, search for front end.
I'm showing you. Do it.
And development.
Then he will be live streaming from his location himself.
And my goal is to teach people when they go to it, I can answer their queries because when people have like a lot of questions, but you can see all these tutorials which are free for you, and you can get started in different programming language. So for example, I will start here. It's very important. You can start with this. Learn React and Tailwind CSS for front-end development. It's a very good course here. You can learn the basics of programming language and React.
Save this website.
Yes. And then you can see what are the courses you can study here. Course introduction, developing your application, rendering, passing props 2, So there are a lot of exercises, and it will teach you how you can create this site, how you can create experience, how to make it working, like when you click on it, like image, how all of these things are designed and developed as part of front end engineering effort. So that is the free way to start learning things. You can dedicate maybe 1 hour every day, and you can
Learn.
start making
Sorry for
progress.
interruption, but people are asking, can you go back and show again how much money people can make? People interested. What
Yeah,
positions? And again, formal education is not required.
yeah. If you go to these positions,
For
the
example,
only
Indeed,
the only qualification they ask for is that you know those
knowledge.
technologies, and you should know how to program in those technologies. They never ask for any
Formal
like
education, like
form.
universities.
Yeah,
That's why boot camps are so popular. But you can take a look. The cheapest boot camp 5,000, and you have to be there. But he's teaching for free remotely,
yeah,
and he will show yes 180 people,
yeah. So
180.
you can see salaries are posted like somewhere from 110 to 126,000. And in the time of this time of technology, I think everybody should learn some programming because it's just so many people, so many companies need
And
these technologies.
and especially like you told me, artificial intelligence. Yes,
Yes.
he's working for our company and he knows everything.
So all you
Real
have to
estate
do is
company.
basically is to get started. This is a free resource. You can start. You can start watching these videos one by one. You can learn the programming languages, and they are actual technologies which companies use in their own projects. So it is not something you are learning,
About
which you are not going to use it. You are going to be
you
like
can implement in your job.
you can implement it, and once you implement it, there is a I would like to show everybody that when you are
GitHub.
implementing a
GitHub.
project, you make sure you create your profile in GitHub and create your projects here, because today in technology people do not ask for resumes, they ask for your profile on
Code.
GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
So if
GitHub.
you are creating, let's say, an application
Do you
for
have anything? Can you show? People
for
asking.
uh,
Do you have anything? Any code on GitHub?
yeah,
Git or Git? How to read?
GitHub.
GitHub. Can you show?
So for example, like if I go here, you can see
He
it like
he's showing his.
some programming languages for AI. I was actually coding into it, so I was trying to understand and do certain things. So I have written my own set of codes actually. Some tutorials which I do it, but when I do it from my laptop, I make sure that I move my files to my GitHub. Now
And
the
keep it there. Okay.
keep it there,
Next
and
question. People said, how to use AI. Can you show, please?
yes.
How to
So
use AI and is it popular type of job? Is it easy to find this type of job? Could you teach
well,
artificial intelligence?
the job is easy, but now with AI you can learn much more faster,
Okay,
and
could you show, please,
that is
from your
what I'm
computer?
going to show you here. So now you have AI applications called Cursor. Its name is Cursor, you know, and I am
Only
actually
on Mac or Windows as well?
it is I think available on Windows also.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm creating, let's say, a website which I shown yesterday, like I'm coding. Now what is happening here is basically I can show you that if you want to learn coding, you can use like it is like chat gpt but for learning programming. So if you install this software on your computer, you can ask the computer any questions about that. Okay, I am.
Not about questions. People asking, can you use artificial intelligence to program?
Yeah,
Can artificial intelligence program for you? Can you give me an example?
Yeah.
Can you program something very quickly?
Okay.
Okay,
See
sure.
it.
I show. Mm-hmm.
Can you
Take a
write
look, yes.
me
Mm-hmm.
a simple program printing my name in Python? Let's say programming language.
Why your name?
So I'm just giving a simple command that you can give commands in simple English, and
No,
AI.
something useful. For example, if people want to do QA or maybe create application, something useful, can artificial intelligence program.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
no.
here
Let's create something. For example, how to create simple messenger. Is it possible? Simple messenger or simple
you
task.
have to. It is possible, but
Let's do it.
to
Let's show.
create a web application like that, you have to have paid version of this platform.
Only paid version.
Free version will not support. It will support if you have it. Then it will take a lot of messages to generate an
Okay,
application.
next question. People asking, can you use ChatGPT
You can use
for programming?
Yeah, you can
Yes,
use.
hello, everyone. Subscribe. Yes.
Yes, you can use ChatGPT because ChatGPT has released
GGP
here.
5.
So if you can always ask very basic questions like teach me HTML, JavaScript programming.
Not teach. Can we do job for you
Yeah, they
as a software
can.
engineer?
Of
Can you give
course,
an
they can
example?
do.
People asking.
Like
Can you give
I'm
ChatGPT task, for example, to do some?
like I'm in high school, right? So just ask very simple questions to ChatGPT.
Let's see.
Then it can, see. So it can explain you very small details of any questions
It's
you're going to
educational,
ask.
yes, but the question was, can ChatGPT program for you?
No, ChatGPT
Cannot. That's why
cannot
it was a
program.
question.
It's a different AI. Cursor is the
Cursor.
AI,
I
which is
show cursor.
Cursor is the platform where it can program it for you.
Next question.
But you need to know programming to understand what the program it is generating.
Which one do you use? JavaScript?
I use JavaScript. So
Next question.
so people can go and use this software for install in their computer, and this is like $20 a month actually if you use it.
But free version exists. No, it's okay, we understand. Next question. Why everybody said that AI can replace people? How? Can you show example how people will be replaced?
Well, AI is not going to replace people. It is going to make people more efficient.
Okay, example.
So what it means is like if one person can do a job for a certain task in, let's say, 1 week using Cursor or ChatGPT, they
Will
can
be
finish
faster.
the same task in 1 day.
What type of task? For
Any
example, in real
programming.
estate, we use ChatGPT to write down marketing.
Yeah. So for
What
example,
does ChatGPT does for your area for
so
software engineer?
not ChatGPT. There are ChatGPT like features here in Cursor.
Cursor.
It so if you see in my platform here, all of this code is all generated by AI. Actually, I only gave instructions,
Take a
and
look here.
it created all the different files of my user experience, and you can see that my program is already running. It installed all the softwares, and everything is basically it is able to do it. This application, all this thing, my ChatGPT cursor was able to program it and set it up. It took me 1 hour, maybe 2 hours to actually get everything working. But with AI, the same thing, if I have to do it, it will take probably 1 week. For me, I'm not very good a front end engineer, but I knew only basics. Just only knowing basics, I was able to quickly create these web pages, and so 1 week's work are done in just couple of hours. So that's the advantage of AI. It is not going to replace, but it will make programmers very strong. So instead of 10 people a team needs, they will need only maybe 3 people or 4 people. That's the new way companies are saving money.
Next question. Go. Can you go back to Indeed and show again about jobs?
There are other platforms also one can actually look into it. Indeed is one popular platform.
And show
So
about jobs.
so,
Director software engineer.
so if you're looking for, let's say, back-end engineer or an AI engineer, there are a lot of demand actually. Yeah.
Because it's Silicon Valley capital of artificial intelligence, and right now it's a boom. And people asking how much we can get, how much minimum, 120.
120, yeah.
And how long does it take this course, your course? And again, he will be teaching for free, basic information, and you can get your. How long?
Well, it can take to get the basics, maybe 1 to 2 months or 3 months to
One, two, maximum 3 months.
3 months to learn the basics, and then you can go to different companies and apply for these jobs.
And minimum 120. Okay, what position? AI solution engineer, what else?
Yeah, AI solution engineers are there, front end engineers are there. You can learn. There are many things one can learn. So one is the front end engineer. The front
Front
end
end.
engineer, what it means is that the engineers who design the web pages. So if you see this Indeed.com website, if you see the engineers who design this search box, like this box, location box, all of these things is actually programmed by front end engineers.
That's why if you'd like to learn from him for free, subscribe, give like, and I send you invitation. Yes, he create form. You can fill in this form and
Yes.
join his course. Okay, everything will be in description box. But right now we show you what type of jobs you can get, how much money you can make, and how long does it take to get this knowledge. 2-3 months. It depends on you, and he will give you small task. Yes.
Yes.
Daily, and you can learn it. And again, courses he will start this week. That's why if you're interested, yes, subscribe, give like, and he will show you, he will teach you, and everything is remotely. And for now, it will be for free. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Would you like to add anything?
No.
So we discussed everything. That's why subscribe again, give like to this video, and you, if you're interested, join, and you can make this money. That's why in time of artificial intelligence, you have to learn it and join. And again, no official education required. So this type of education will be okay, just courses. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.